Hey, welcome back to Weeby Kids again. This week we're going to keep the festive spirit alive and we're going to continue to show you how to make some Christmas decorations. This week we're going to make a trio of Santas, and these can be used as a window dressing or as a table dressing. I've come up into the woods because I needed to get myself a stick. We're also going to need a few other materials that we're going to get back at home. For this resource, you're going to need some red and white paint, preferably acrylic, that will give you the best results. You're going to need some PVA glue, some wool pom-poms. These are for the hat and for the nose, so whatever colour you would like. You're going to also need that stick that we found out in the woods. Of course, if you want big Santas, then you will need a bigger stick. You're going to need a black Sharpie and also a pruning saw. Oh, and don't forget those paintbrushes too.
Ho, 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 ho! We hope you enjoyed making these festive Santas. Thanks for stopping by at Weeby Kids. We'll see you again sometime soon. Bye!